So as you guys can see, it's a huge leak coming from somewhere. And one of the leaks I know for sure is from the power steering, but I also need to check the brake fluid because the brakes, the pedal is going down to the floor, so that may be leaking as well. I'm not sure where. And I checked the oil as well. There's also a leak. I'm sorry, it's also low. It's a quart low. So there's an oil leak coming from most likely maybe the rear main seal. I'm not sure. Let's lift it up though. So I want to check this brake reservoir. Make sure so it's brake fluid. I don't know if it's supposed to be brake fluid on both sides, but it's brake fluid in the main reservoir. Also check the transmission fluid. It seems to be normal. So I bought a bottle of brake fluid, but it doesn't look like I need any. But I definitely need to fill this up because you got the power steering whine while you're driving. I keep filling this up. And you're supposed to put Lincoln transmission fluid in here, which is what they were using back then, but I bought power steering fluid. Really doesn't matter. I've been putting it in here for a while now. It'll do for right now till I can get either a new steering gear, which is most likely what I'm going to do. These old cars, man, all the seals and stuff go bad, and the hoses. Of course, it's a 50-year-old car, 52-year-old car. So no matter how frustrating it is, it's just, if you're going to have an old school, you definitely gonna deal with it unless you're buying a Concours or a pristine condition. But if you're buying one for a cheaper price, you definitely gonna be putting work into it, no matter how clean it is. That should be good. Then, like I said, it was a quart low on oil. So now I gotta take this out. It's hot. Ooh, I have to put the phone down for a moment. So I found out it's definitely no brake fluid in the front reservoir, which I was told is for the front brakes and the back is for the rear. And that brake fluid needs to be changed because look how dark it is. So I'm gonna get that flushed, but in the meantime, I'm gonna pour this in the front. put a quart of oil in that reservoir as well. And you don't hear the whine anymore because I filled the power steering reservoir. So it sounds much better. See, that brake light is still on. You also see this left tail light is out and the right tail light is out, and the flasher for the turn signal is on that side. So that also needs to be done. I just bought the bulbs right there, and I also ordered high beam for this one right here for the drivers is also out. Oh shoot. I didn't realize I had to put this right here. Also bought a rag to catch all this fluid that be on my ground. Then I bought some adhesive to put my rear view mirror back up, which is out. But I need to definitely catch all of that, either power steering fluid or oil or brake fluid right here. So yep, doing some maintenance on the car. When you drive an old school, you definitely got to do the maintenance. Also, a tree fell on my car. I'm really damn pissed and scratched it right here. And then a tree branch from that tree, big one, fell down. Took the paint right off and dented it. You see this dent? So but yeah, it sounds good though. It does have an exhaust leak, but beyond that, sounds good. I just put a little bit of gas in it, so let me turn it off because this thing drinks gas like nobody's business. So just want to show you guys that. Talk to you soon. Have a good one.